Shifting gears to the coronavirus pandemic, Governor J.B. Pritzker at his daily press conference announcing 13 new COVID-19 related deaths. That includes a state employee and an infant. This brings the state death toll to 47. 465 new cases of COVID-19 were also announced. Currently, IDPH is reporting a total of 3,491 cases in 43 Illinois counties. IDPH Director Dr. Ngozi Ezike says the virus is reaching new territory.
There has never before been a death associated with COVID-19 in an infant. A full investigation is underway to determine the actual cause of death. We must continue to do everything we can to prevent the spread of this deadly virus. If not to protect yourself, then please do it to protect those around you.
Governor Pritzker also announcing that Chicago's McCormick Place Convention Center will be turned into a field hospital. For the project, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers has drafted plans for 3,000 beds for patients set to open on April 24th. The governor also thanked McDonald's, based in Illinois, for the company's donation of 400,000 N95 masks for essential workers. The advancements come as the worldwide number of positive COVID-19 cases reaches 600,000. In Winnebago County, health officials announced 2 new cases of coronavirus. This brings the county total to 11. Whiteside County officials also confirming a 3rd positive case there today. There are now 24 cases across the northern Illinois Rockford region. No one in that region has died as a result of the virus. Another state-line hospital takes precautions in case there's an influx of COVID-19 patients. FHN Memorial in Freeport trained staff and providers at a tent in the hospital parking lot this afternoon. We first told you about the shelter Thursday. FHN administrators say the tent could increase the number of beds in the hospital from 100 to 150. There are currently 2 coronavirus patients in Stephenson County. One is a 50-year-old currently being treated at FHN Memorial. Personal protective equipment and ventilators are few and far between, but the University of Illinois College of Engineering might have a breakthrough that could fix that problem. A new emergency ventilator prototype could soon roll out to hospitals across the state. A team of 40 U of I professors, medical professionals, and physicians have been working on that project. The group was able to build the ventilator in just 1 week.
The prototype, it works really well. So far, it has run for more than 75 hours, more than 125,000 breathing cycles. It's staggering what this group of brilliant people has been able to do.
Soon, the group will take the prototype to clinical trials, and if it makes it through, the ventilators can receive FDA approval and begin production.